Let's review a few important tasks on Google Drive. The three important tasks will be to make a copy of a document, move the document into the correct folder, and then to review what your personal folder actually is. So the first one is make a copy. So I am in the 7th grade science folder, and I've gone all the way to the option of the airplane lab folder. And I'm going to choose the desired document, which for this example will be the Airplane Variables Lab. So I'm going to click on that document, and then as it is brought up on the screen, you are then going to direct your attention over to the left-hand side for File. Click on File. You're going to choose Make a Copy. Then you're going to change the title a little bit. You're not going to have copy of. Instead, you would type your first and last name. So I'm going to type Carrie Bosworth Airplane Variables Lab. And then I'm going to choose OK. So now it is making a copy of that desired document. And now that I have that copy, I can actually start doing all of the required work. Fabulous, right? All right. Now that you have the copy, let's go see where that copy landed and then how to move it into the correct folder. So let me just close these out. And now you're going to go back to My Drive, so your drive. So you're going to click My Drive. And you should be able to scroll down to find your copy that you just did. So there we go. I got a few right here. So Carrie Bosworth Airplane Variables Lab. So I'm going to click the box right here, or you can right click it. Either option is fine. I chose to just click the box. Then you're going to go up here for more, and then you're going to choose Move To. Now you want to move it to your personal folder. So I've made a personal folder. Personal folder means it has your first and last name in your drive. So here's mine, Carrie Bosworth. That's my personal folder. All right, now since I've highlighted that, you see this check mark right here? That means that my document is going to go into my personal folder. But I want to make sure it goes in the right spot in my personal folder. So you see this little triangle right here. I'm going to click on it. And now you see these other folders that I have made within my personal folder here. Now this has to do with the Airplane Variables Lab, so it should go into my Labs folder. So I'm going to click on the Labs, and now the check mark is right next to the Labs folder, and that is where I want my copied document to go, and that is where it will be going. So I'm going to choose Move. And now it says right here, Carrie Bosworth Airplane Variables Lab has been moved from My Drive to Labs. So we want to just double check. If you're not in My Drive already, go to My Drive, find your personal folder, which for me, there it is, right here, Carrie Bosworth. There's my folder, so I'm going to click on it. There are my folders within my personal folder. I'm going to choose Labs, and voila. There is my copied document, and it has been moved to the correct folder within my personal folder. Alright, so now you know how to make copies, you know how to move your documents, and you know what that personal folder is all about. So happy copying and good luck.